A project's characteristics. A project produces a deliverable. A project is a management vehicle for delivering change. It provides the means by which to move from one steady business-as-usual BAU state to another, from A to B, where B is markedly different to and better than A. One outcome of a project is a defined deliverable, a product which, by its use, enables the new steady state to operate in a better way than before. This deliverable must be of sufficient quality to serve its intended purpose. A project has a defined end date. If only to regulate the amount of money invested, a project should have a target end date by which the deliverable must have been completed to a certain standard. Furthermore, since a project is intentionally temporary, any delay in its completion means that those who are working on it cannot be released for other work. A project has a defined budget. Money may be invested in a great many things in order to build the project's deliverable, including people's time, contractors, computer hardware, software licenses, building materials, marketing matter, and so forth. When added together, this contributes to what will eventually be known as the project's budget. This must be defined and managed. A project uses a wide range of resources. A project benefits from a variety of people's capabilities, knowledge, skills, and experience. They will originate from a wide range of backgrounds, from inside and, quite possibly, outside the organization. This is markedly different from many people's experience of working in a department where, almost by definition, they are grouped according to their particular knowledge and skills. People will be involved in peaks and troughs during the project. People will become involved in a project at different times throughout its life. Some, like the project manager, may participate fully throughout. Others may be involved in several projects at the same time, or in BAU activity. A project has a life cycle. Like this book, a project has a beginning, middle, and end, all of which are important for different reasons, all of which can benefit from some order and governance. However, the project's life cycle is very different, and shorter, than the life cycle of the change it is seeking to make happen. Before a project is judged to have begun, time will have been spent considering which opportunities, including projects, deserve the organization's investment. After the project is completed, the wider organization should be asking to what extent the benefits were realized. Therefore, these periods before and after the project form part of the life cycle of the change during which we, respectively, seek and realize benefits. The project sponsor must be active during these periods, as the time is used to, respectively, determine what benefits may be achieved by the project, and to measure the extent to which those benefits were realized. These are also periods when the project manager is unassigned to the project. All of these features mean that projects can be risky. For this reason, project management might be seen as a toolkit to address such risks. It is sensible to use only as much governance as a project's level of risk requires. Just as too little management can cause a project to fail, too much can stifle progress. A successful project's characteristics. A project manager may characterize success in the following ways: meeting the intended timescale, meeting the intended budget, producing deliverables to the intended standard, managing changes in expectations throughout, minimizing the detrimental effect of risks and issues, keeping the team motivated and focused. However, although this list is well suited as a set of targets for a project manager, it may not be sufficient for some other interested parties. Those who have decided to invest in the project will expect it to deliver the step change described earlier. A project manager may meet typical time, cost, quality criteria, yet deliver an outcome which fails to justify the amount of money and time invested in the project. The project sponsor will be keen to see that the project's management maximizes the likelihood that there will be a return on their original investment. Put simply, they'll be expecting benefits. How can